Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will going to show you how you can download PrivadoVPN for free on your PC or laptop. So if you are interested, then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel, consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this. And also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download PrivadoVPN for free on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy. Just follow what I'm going to do. So for the first step, I want you to go to your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, you will need to go to the official website of PrivadoVPN, since that's where we will download the app. So just search for PrivadoVPN.com on your search bar. And now that you're on the website, next, I want you to scroll down until you reach this section of the page. And here, you just have to select a download option based on the device that you're using. In my case, I'm using a Windows PC, so this is what I will select. And after that, you will now be on the downloading page of the VPN. So just click this download button right here. And after clicking it, your PrivadoVPN installer file will now be downloaded. So you can now click the file to start installing the app. And then the app will now start installing. Just wait for this to be done. And once it's done, there you go guys. You will now have your PrivadoVPN installed on your device. So all we have to do now is to just log in our account or create one if we don't have an account yet. In my case, I will create my account. So to create your account, it's actually very simple. You just have to enter your email address right here. And after entering, you can now select a button here, depending on the account type that you want to create. If you want to create a paid premium account, you can select this. But since this video is about how to use this VPN for free, we will make a free account. And then they will send an email to your Gmail account in order for you to be verified. So just open your Gmail. And then you will now see their message. So just open that message and then click this verify button right here. And after that, your account will now be verified, and they will also show you your account's login credentials right here, like your username and password. Make sure to take a note of this since you might need it in the future to log in your account. And now that your account is verified, just click the login button. And then here, you just have to select the theme that you want to use for the app. In my case, I will select the dark mode. And after that, it's done. Congratulations. You will now have your PrivadoVPN installed on your device, so you can now use VPN services for free with this. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes for our tutorial video for today. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.